Tell me about yourself. I am motivated individual with strong communication skills and passion for helping others. I have experience in customer service and thrive in fast-paced environments. My goal is to provide excellent service and resolve issues efficiently. How do you handle difficult customer? I stay calm, listen actively to their concern, and emphasize with their situations. Then I focus finding a solution or escalating the issues of needed, ensuring the customer feels heard and value. How do you want to work in a call center? I enjoy interacting with people and solving problems. A call center offers the opportunity to use my communication skill to assist customers and contribute to company success. How do you manage stress at work? I prioritize tasks, take short breaks to recharge, and focus on maintaining a positive attitude, staying organized and seeking supports when needed helps me handle stress effectively. What is your strength? I am honest and self-motivated person. Also, I am quick learner and a great team player. What is your weaknesses? I am very straightforward and I trust people very quickly, concentrate on one thing at a time. How do you see yourself 5 years from now? I would like to see myself a successful employee in these organizations. Why should we hire you? I am sincere with my work and I would never let you down in any way. If you hire me, it will be a great platform to showcase my skills. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. This is how to apply call center, guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and the notification. Thank you for watching.